Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a very long time I'm creating this video. I was stuck with some work, but yes, I'm back. So itne beech mein I did not can say followed the skincare or did any kind of tamjham. So I thought, why not take out a day and just pamper the skin and give a glow to it. So in between all this thing, I was just searching for some product which I can buy for the skin, and I can also tell you guys that they are good or not. So evenly we go mostly for clay mask or peel off mask or just mask or something like that. So I came out of with a good product from Vihado, which is orange peel off, and it's organic. The basic funda ki hum log jo bachpan mein when used to apply some multani mitti and all sort of things for inner glow as garmiyan aa rahi hain, so we need some product which can take out all the oil from the skin and make it oil free and should be organic. So mostly orange peel कैसे बनाया जाता है अगर हम इसकी बात ना करें from the basic method कि आप जो peel थे orange के उसको सुखाओ and then usse piso, and then after so much thing you get that perfect orange peel powder. But Vihado is giving this facility and they are natural face product. They have multani mitti face pack, they have I think tulsi or neem and like sort of many variety they have. So I tried out this orange and this gave me such nice results. So showing you in live like how it helps to glow the skin from inner side. So before wasting any time, let's jump and apply this product and see the result it gives. So I have opened the product. स्मेल इसमें से बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ऑरेंज पील्स का जो हम अपने घर पे अगर करते हैं कि उसके छिकलों को सुखाकर एंड देन मेक अ पेस्ट, इट एग्जैक्टली स्मेल्स लाइक दैट. एंड यस, सो बट मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ कि इसको रॉ ना लगाऊं. आई एम यूजिंग कर्ड टू बिकम अ सब्सटेंस so that I can evenly apply on my face. So I am going to mix both of them to see how actually they work. So the paste is created. I am having like using a spatula to apply on the face. So let evenly apply on the face. Band लगा के भी बाल आ रहे हैं. Whatever. Okay. I am like excitingly waiting कि ये कैसा काम करेगा because it is super organic by smelling, by touching and by even applying. So let's see how it works on my skin, and it is suitable for every skin type. As you can know, like see, summers are here and the skin needs something which is, you know, homemade and satisfying and which can take out oil from the skin so that the skin does not stay oily. And I think this is a very good product to try on. So let's see how it works. I'll meet you after applying this. I'm evenly applying with the neck area because do not forget your neck area. It is also totally that important as your face. आई थिंक मैंने इतना ज़्यादा थोप लिया है, इसको काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा सूखने में. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ इवनली अप्लाइड ऑन माई फेस. थोड़े बाल यहाँ से आ गए हैं. चेकिंग ऑल अराउंड. Let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes so that it can dry, and I'll meet you after it get dry and see the results. So it's been around approximately more than 15 minutes and the substance has dried. I can just touch and there is no product on my hand. So I'm quickly gonna wash out and see how it looks on my face and how the glow comes. So as you saw that the product gave me so nice effect. If you want to buy this product, you can check out on Amazon, Flipkart and the website itself, and all the details are given into the description box. Any doubt you can also DM me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Any doubts you can also drop in the comment option. If you like my video and you like watching any such content, then do like, share and comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. And also you can drop a suggestion in the comment box. I would be reading all of them. Bye.